Welcome to our quick guide on BitBrowser, a tool designed for the modern web user. BitBrowser offers fast browsing speeds and enhanced privacy. Let's dive into its features. Our first feature is the user-friendly interface. It's intuitive for both beginners and pros. Next, we have the built-in ad blocker. Say goodbye to distractions while browsing. Don't forget about the customizable themes. Personalize your browsing experience. Ready to try BitBrowser? Click the link below to get started today. BitBrowser enhances your online experience while keeping you safe and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Join our community and discover the best tools for browsing smarter. Explore the future of browsing with BitBrowser, where efficiency meets innovation. See you next time as we continue to explore exciting tools and tips for you. Goodbye and happy browsing.